Hi roller skaters, today's video is a tutorial. It's sort of a tutorial on how to do a frontside 360. The reason I'm saying it's sort of is because I really don't have it nailed down yet. I think it's not really perfect, I think, by my standards, or by most people's standards. Because I'm kind of doing it, when I do my 360 and land, I kind of sometimes hit the toe stop, and I haven't really got to the point where I'm like landing on all the wheels yet perfect, but I am getting it a little bit better and more comfortable, more consistently. So I thought I'd do this video for you guys to check it out, and maybe I'll do another one later when I get it more clean. But anyway, I think to do this trick, you should probably first be comfortable doing a 360 on the flat ground, you know, like standing still or rolling forward. There is a difference though, once you, if you're doing a 360 on the flat ground versus a ramp transition. On the flat ground, you're rolling forward, moving forward, and you jump 360, right? And when you land, you're continuing going forward. On the ramp, you're going up, you're doing your 360, and then when you land, you're rolling backwards. It's a weird sensation, and your axis kind of changes as you go up the ramp. Like for instance, when you're on the flat ground, your axis is like straight up and down, right? And as you go up the ramp, your axis changes to however, you know, however you're on the ramp. But it's hard to trust when you go up the ramp. It's hard to trust to kind of lean back and get that axis back. That's what's hard about this trick, I think, for me, because it's scary because you can kind of flip back and land on the back of your head. And I've done that, and that's why I'm wearing my helmet. I did it with my helmet on once, and it was loud. It was a ringing sort of sound. So what I think helped me first do the 360 was, again, first on the flat ground, moving forward, and then once you get on the ramp, I think you take little mini steps. And in this case, what I mean by that is you want to get used to doing the, you know, spin around like that, and then go back. Okay, and I'm rolling this. That's kind of what helped me kind of figure out that feeling of going up the ramp, spinning, and going back down. So you go up like this, spin, and roll back down. Go up like this, spin, and go back down. For me, that helped me kind of figure out, oh, okay, you're going to be going that way and then back. And then once you get comfortable, for me, when I got comfortable, after I got comfortable doing that, I decided I have to start jumping. And so again, I started really, really low. There are some people that say, and it probably is, it's easier to kind of go at it at a little bit of an arc, you know, arc, and then jump, because you're not doing a total 360. But for me, I don't know, it just feels more comfortable to go straight up, jump, and come back down. Okay, and like I said, again, I do it in small increments. And for me, when I do my 360, I'm turning to my right-hand side. I'm jumping this way. And in my case, I like my feet to be staggered, left foot forward, right foot back, because that's the way I skate, and my hips are already open this way when I go to turn. So my hips are already opened a little bit, so it makes the rotation not as hard. But some people like it the other way. It's just a preference thing. So we'll give a few of these a try, and you'll see. I'm going to start real low and see if I can work up to doing them, you know, legitimately. All right.
Okay.
So start real slow, and when you're ready, you're going to, you know, crouch down. What I do is I crouch down, and then right as you going up the ramp, wait till you almost peak, stop rolling almost till you come up, and then you jump and turn, you turn your shoulders and come around like that. It's hard as hell to do it stationary. So I'll do a few of these rolling, see if I can do a few of these for you guys.
All right.
All right, so we're gonna go up.
Oh!
Yeah, it's cheated, but see, I land on my toe, stop a little bit.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Well, yeah.
So work with these real slow, you know, real low like this at first, like this. Okay? And slowly start rolling backwards. Do them real slow. Go up. Here we go. Go up.
Oh.
Wait till you almost stop, because if you wait till you almost, as you're rolling up the ramp, you want to take off as you're kind of coming to a stop, because when you jump, you have assistance that helps you lift and get that little bit of air. All right, so I'm going to go a little higher. Try these. See what we can do here. See, I'm cheating with my toe stop, but it's okay.
Mhm.
They're so fun. We'll go a little higher. Yeah, what do you think?
All right.
A little sloppy, but I'm getting it down.
Yeah.
So I'll go a little higher, build up.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta stop with that toe stop. I'll try it. Here we go. Now I'm using
All
the toe stop,
right.
but I'm getting it around. I'll do one more. All right, all right, all right.
Okay.
What do you think?
Getting better.
It's all right. I'm getting
It's
better.
getting better. It's a work in progress, but there's definitely been improvement.
Thank you.
All
And
right.
that's what I wanted, so I figured I'd show you guys what I've learned. So I hope you guys found this video very helpful and fun as usually. I'm pretty tired from trying to do all this, so hopefully you guys found it entertaining. So for more content, hit the like button. Let's hear your suggestions down below. And as always, we really appreciate you guys checking out our channel. Until next time, skaters, we will see you later. Bye.